Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Innovative Chemistry. I am very much happy to see that you are responding on my channel and you are also learning many things with the help of all these practical videos. One request I received from Lucknow that they want some exciting experiment. They want some experiment in which some excitement is there, in which some special type of chemical reactions are there. So to fulfill their requirement, fulfill their wishes, I am ready with a very latest and good experiment, very innovative experiment. And the name of this experiment is elephant toothpaste. So in this experiment, I'll show you how to prepare foam or how to form foam with the help of chemicals. So for that we require some substances. First of all, hydrogen peroxide, and the strength of this hydrogen peroxide is 30%. This is 30% hydrogen oxide. Here with me is liquid dishwash soap, not bar, it's dishwash soap, it's a Vim liquid, and funnel to introduce the solution. This is distilled water. Sodium iodide. So this is a salt which is called sodium iodide. So we have a small bottle of sodium iodide salt and food color. And here also with me a small amount of small beaker also, a small, very small beaker. Now here you can set up. This is I have taken a bottle and I just fix this bottle over here and I arrange this arrangement so that when foam will produce, so foam will not come on the table, and you will see with this experiment enough amount of foam will produce. So first of all, with the help of funnel, I am going to introduce hydrogen peroxide, and the strength of this hydrogen peroxide is 30%. So this is 30%. So whenever you use this hydrogen peroxide, be very careful, because this hydrogen peroxide is highly reactive. Is not like that you have on the medical stores. This is highly reactive, and this hydrogen peroxide, if comes on your skin, falls on your hand, so it will definitely burn your hand or burn your skin. So you need to be very careful when you are performing test with the hydrogen peroxide. You can use this test in your exhibitions, in your schools, as a science experiment. You can show this experiment. Okay, now after this, here with me dishwash liquid, so Vim. So I am just introducing a small portion, a small amount of this Vim dish liquid. Okay, so I just introduces a small amount of. Now I'm just taking it so that all the soap mix into the hydrogen peroxide. Now here with me food color. Food color, in order to show you the special color of the foam which will be producing here. So I just introduce food color and I am shaking this thing. So now you can see in this bottle, this is a normal cold drink bottle. So in this bottle you can see there is a hydrogen peroxide or dishwasher, soap and food color. So these things are there in this bottle. Now here with me a very special ingredient, a special reagent called sodium iodide. So let me take a small amount of sodium iodide into the beaker. So I have taken a small amount of sodium iodide into the beaker. Let me put the cap back. So here in this beaker you can see it's a sodium iodide. So sodium iodide is there. Now I am going to make its solution. So for that I use distilled water. So here the solution of sodium iodide is ready. This is the aqueous solution of sodium iodide. Let me shake it little so that all the sodium iodide mix properly into the water. Now it's almost dissolved into the water. So this is the aqueous solution of sodium iodide. Okay, so now here with me a cold drink bottle in which I have taken sodium hydroxide 30%, hydrogen peroxide 30%, and liquid soap, and here and food color also in this. And now here in this beaker I have taken sodium iodide. So now with the help of funnel I am going to introduce this sodium iodide into the bottle, and as soon as I introduce this thing into the bottle, you will see enough amount of foam will produce, and this foam is, I have given the name, it's called elephant toothpaste because it's very large in amount, so that I am just keeping all the things away so that all the things will be safe and there will be no any problem, because enough amount of foam will produce. So just see what will happen as I am introducing this sodium iodide into the solution which present in the bottle. And you can see I introduce it and reaction is starting. You can see enough amount of foam is producing and producing and producing and producing, and you can see the amount of foam. As soon as reaction keep going on, large amount of foam will also produce, and you can see this full area is filled with the foam. Large amount of foam is produced over here. It's a big amount of foam, you can see, and this thing is called elephant toothpaste, and the name of this experiment is called elephant toothpaste. So please like and subscribe my channel so that in future you will see just like as more interesting experiment, more interesting practical videos. If you have any suggestion, if you have any requirement, any need you want, any special type of experiment you want from me, so please just write in the comment, and I try to fulfill all your wishes whatever you ask to me. And please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you very much.